In this video, we'll be talking about the process of importing G-code files into OptimumCNC plasma cutting software. And importing a G-code file is one of the main ways in which we can actually import a file into the software, so we can have something to cut. The other methods, of course, being using a CAM module, importing DXF files and parts from the built-in shapes library, and designing a part from the ground up in the CAD module. And all of those methods are described in different videos. However, here we're going to focus on importing a G-code file, which is typically a file that's designed in some external CAM software. So here, for instance, I already have a file open. Its name is the optimumlogo2.nc. So you'll notice that G-code files typically have file extension names ending with .nc, .cnc, .txt, etc., depending on the CAM software that you may be using or familiar with. And if we'd like to open another G-code file, we can simply click on the Import button in the top ribbon. And here we'll have a window for our G-code import. It'll consist of the controls, our file select window, file preview, and G-code preview, as well as some properties such as the file name, file size, destination folder, etc. So here we can navigate between these different files. So for instance, here is the OptimumCNC file that we've already seen. Let's say we'd like to select some other file, perhaps this library shape, and we can import it by clicking on the green button in the top ribbon. So this file is now the active file that we have opened. Let's say we'd like to go back, and here perhaps we would like to rearrange these files or move them around a little bit. So first of all, notice how all of these files are located within a G-code programs folder that is itself located on the desktop of our OptimumCNC computer. So this is the default folder for our G-code programs. Let's say we'd like to organize these files a little bit, perhaps based on the shape, based on the date, etc. And we'd like to move them to a different folder within this default folder. So here I have a test folder already, and we can create new folders by clicking on this new folder button in the top ribbon. But here, let's say we select our test folder, so this will be the destination folder. Right now, it is different. Let's say we select it by clicking on this button in the top ribbon. And as you can see, the destination folder has now changed to this test folder within G-code programs. Next, we select the file that we'd like to move to it. And let's say it's this file right here. We will simply press the copy button. We'll confirm that we'd like to copy this file to our test folder. And now we'll have this file within the test folder as well as within the original default folder. Let's say we'd now like to delete it. We can press the delete button, confirm, and now this file will only be located within this test folder. And we can open it once again by either clicking the green button or by pressing enter once the file has been selected. Thank you for watching.